Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative gadgets on the market. In today's video, we're talking about one of the best handheld emulator consoles out there, the Lucktry Emulation Console. If you're a fan of retro gaming, this is the ultimate way to relive all your favorite classics on the go. The Lucktry Emulation Console is powered by the Raspberry Pi 4B, and it's fully loaded with over 130,000 games. Yes, you heard that right, 130,000 plus games. It's compatible with more than 60 consoles, ranging from arcade classics to popular systems like the NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and even PlayStation. This console is perfect for those who love to experience the nostalgia of old-school gaming but with the convenience of modern technology. It features a sleek and portable design that's easy to take with you anywhere. The setup process is simple and quick, and once you're ready, you have access to an endless library of games. From the most iconic franchises to obscure gems that will bring back memories of childhood gaming sessions. What's great about the Lucktry Emulation Console is its versatility. With HDMI connectivity, you can plug it into your TV for a big screen experience or play it on the go with its compact form factor. The console supports wireless Bluetooth controllers, giving you the flexibility to connect additional controllers if you want to play multiplayer games with friends or family. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to browse through your collection of games easily. You can even customize your gaming experience, add your own games, or tweak the settings to suit your preferences. Plus, the powerful Raspberry Pi 4B ensures smooth gameplay, so you won't have to worry about lag or performance issues while enjoying your favorite titles. In addition to its impressive game library, the Lucktry Emulation Console supports various input methods, including gamepads, making it a perfect choice for both casual players and hardcore retro gaming enthusiasts. The Bluetooth connectivity allows for a truly wireless experience, meaning you can focus on the fun without the hassle of tangled wires. Whether you're a nostalgic gamer looking to relive your childhood or someone new to retro gaming, the Lucktry Emulation Console offers an all-in-one solution that's sure to satisfy. The combination of over 130,000 games, a powerful system, and easy portability makes it the best handheld emulator console available today. If you're ready to dive into the world of retro gaming and take your favorite classics wherever you go, make sure to check out the Lucktry Emulation Console. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best tech products out there.